lessons of Shivaji Group of Institutions. Students, this is your geometrical art class. In my previous video, I discussed the perpendicular bisector on a line. How to draw a perpendicular bisector on a line. Today I will discuss to construct a line parallel to a given line at a given distance from it. मीन्स आपको एक लाइन दी होगी, उसके पैरेलल आपको दूसरी लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है जो, और वो कितनी डिस्टेंस पे है ये भी आपको दी होगी. बेसिकली आज हम पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करना सीखेंगे. ओके, नाउ फर्स्टली द क्वेश्चन इज ड्रॉ अ लाइन XY parallel to AB. Draw a line XY parallel to AB such that the distance between XY and AB is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, firstly, what will we do in this question? Firstly, we draw a line AB. Okay. Now, draw a line AB. This is a line AB. Okay. Now take your protractor compass and draw a perpendicular on AB. This is a point P. Okay, and draw a perpendicular on AB. You all know that how to draw a perpendicular on a line AB. Firstly, make an arc. Okay, and now you can change the measurement and here make an arc and put your compass here and make another arc. And join this line to P, point P. This is point P. Okay, students. Now, as we all know that the distance between the parallel lines is 3.5 centimeter. Means parallel line की जो बीच की distance है वो कितनी है? 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो आपको 3.5 सेंटीमीटर यहाँ से मेजर करना है. ओके, 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. When you measure the line 3.5 centimeter with the help of ruler and make an arc here, make an arc. Okay, this is the length of this arc is 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter. And draw a line and point. This is a point N. Okay, this is a point N. Now, at point N, draw a perpendicular. Okay, at point N, draw a perpendicular. You all know that how we draw perpendicular. Firstly, put your compass at N. अपने compass को N पे रखिए and make an arc. Okay. Now make 60 degree. This is 120 and bisect these two angles. Okay. And join this angle to this. y and this is 3.5 centimeters. This is 3.5 centimeter, and here we can say that AB is parallel to XY. ओके, सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, फर्स्टली वी ड्रॉ अ लाइन AB. इसकी मेजरमेंट कोई भी हो सकती है क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमको मेजरमेंट नहीं दी गई है. आफ्टर दैट टेक अ पॉइंट P and draw a perpendicular at point P. Okay, now after that make an arc of 3.5 centimeter because the given distance between the parallel lines is 3.5 centimeter. Then make an arc of 3.5 centimeter, and the point where these two lines are intersect, this is point N, and draw a perpendicular at point N. Okay, then we draw a perpendicular at point N, and this is the line XY which is parallel to AB. Okay, now students, you can draw this parallel line with another method. Okay, let's see how we draw. Firstly, draw a line. Okay, firstly draw a line. This is AB. Okay, and at point P, take to point P and Q and measure 3.5 centimeter. Okay, 3.5 centimeter. Now make an arc from P and make another arc from Q. Okay, with the same distance. This is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now join these two arcs. Join these two arcs. When we join these two arcs, this is X and this is Y. This is the another method of draw a parallel lines. Okay, and the distance between these two lines is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now student, the next is to construct a line parallel to a given line through a point outside the line. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको एक लाइन की पैरेलल दूसरी लाइन पैरेलल ड्रॉ करनी है फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट आउटसाइड द लाइन. फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्टली वी ड्रॉ अ लाइन. This is the line AB. Okay, here a point Q is outside the line, and we take another point P. Okay, now join these two points. Join these two points. Okay, now for the parallel line, firstly measure it. Okay, draw an angle at Q. Okay, and measure this angle with the same arc. Draw an arc from here. Okay, and draw this line. Okay, this is line X, Y, which is parallel to AB. AB parallel to XY. इसमें क्या था कि आपको लाइन के आउटसाइड किसी पॉइंट से एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करनी थी. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, फर्स्टली ड्रॉ अ लाइन AB एंड देन टेक अ पॉइंट P ऑन AB. AB पे एक पॉइंट लिया P एंड ज्वाइन P टू Q. Q आउटसाइड कोई भी एक पॉइंट है, इसको ज्वाइन किया. उसके बाद ये दोनों एंगल ड्रॉ किए सच दैट एंगल Q P B is equals to angle P Q S. Okay, these two angles are equal because we all know that if these two lines are parallel, then these are the alternate interior angle and these angles are equal. Okay, with the help of this property, when we draw this angle equal to this angle, and after that draw a line XY where XY is parallel to AB. Okay, students, now that's all for today. Thank you so much.